don't send me nothing that ain't got no tag. Don't make me buy no clothes from you that ain't got tags that say Fruit of the Looms and Gildan and Champion. If I buy some clothes from you, if you put the minimum effort in, and I buy the clothes from you, I'm gonna put the minimum effort in and help you get it to the garbage. What up, my G? It's Fresco, and we back again, baby, with another one. Here we go, man. Today, no sneakers, no technology. We got clothes, and I like clothes, as you can see, because I'm not running around booty butt naked. And today, I feel like we got something very special, very nice. As someone who loves technology, I love, sneakers, I love hypebeast, and I love technology, I love gaming, all these things. Sometimes I don't 100% find stuff I want to wear. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I want to wear some gaming clothes or some, nerd clothes, and it just don't be that fire. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like I be taking an L sometimes on clothes. You know what I mean? Other times I do be finding some heat. You know what I'm saying? Some stuff to wear, but I always want to wear stuff that resonates with me. All right. And today I think I found something. I think I found it. All right. And this is actually from a local brand in New York City called Tier. All right. And I've been watching this brand for a minute. I've been watching it from conception. You know what I'm saying? And I've been kind of double dutching, trying to figure out, what I want to do with it, if I want to dive in, because you don't want to jump right into a brand like some people feel that rush of being the first one. I'm not one of those people. You know what I'm saying? I take the, second and third season or fourth season even. Let's see how long this lasts. Let's see what where they go with it, how serious they take it. You know what I'm saying? So, I shouldn't even say much to my surprise, because even when they came out the gate, they was booming in a different way. They still here and they still strong. So today we got a piece from them that I actually got a while back, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't want to bust it open yet until I can bust it with y'all. So let's do it. Bust this open. Team effort. All right, here we go. Okay, so the first thing I felt, like even, before I opened it, this hoodie is kind of heavy. You know what I mean? And that's really what you want when you buy a hoodie. You want that from it. You want to feel like they use that material. Like this hoodie gonna keep you warm. You know what I'm saying? So that was dope. Out the gate. Ooh. Here we go. Look at that. Bam. All right, so there we go. Boom. Oh, see, the reason why I got this, man, if y'all can't see, that's an Ethernet cable. Ethernet cable, spelling Tier, the brand Ethernet, yo. Come on, man. Boom, Ethernet, baby. It's fire. You know what I'm saying? And you won't really get clothing, especially, brands like this, paying homage to a simple thing like an Ethernet cable, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Something simply technical, but mostly complex, kinda. All right. And the thing I like about this, like I bought it, you can't really know what you're getting into even when you buy it. I bought it, and the first thing that happened when I bust this out the package, I touched this. This is not like flat. It's raised. Like it's some crazy, it's like a puff. It's like puffed. I don't know what this is, man. And I'm not, I'm sure it's been done before, but they took the time to take it to that next level, man. This thing is like 3D, bro. This is not flat. And that simple things like that make you feel like you got your money's worth. Like if you're gonna print it, you're not gonna embroider it, do something fire like this, man. This thing, it feels good, man. It really feels good. So this should be like a medium. This is medium. And look at that, man. Simple things. Simple things. Tags. The shirt got tagged. All right. Don't send me nothing that ain't got no tag. Don't make me buy no clothes from you that ain't got tags that say Fruit of the Looms and Gildan and Champion. If I buy some clothes from you, if you put the minimum effort in, and I buy the clothes from you, I'm gonna put the minimum effort in and help you get it to the garbage. Don't sell me nothing that say Fruit of the Looms and Gildan. The tag better be your brand, yo. For real, we gotta start holding brands accountable for that too. Even your friends making brands better have tags on it, man. Now y'all know how I feel about tags, man. This is crazy. But this right here, heat. It really do feel heavy. It really do feel sturdy. And look at that. Even the hoodie pocket, like it don't melt into the hoodie. It's like stitched on its own. And it looks so clean. Yeah, it really felt like, you know, this pocket was really its own, you know, thick piece of fabric, you know, well, and simple things like that, man. Attention to detail. I feel like this is well put together. You know, it's like double stitched on the neck. Crazy. And like I said, the stitch pattern on this just looks different. It's just quality. I don't know. It just don't seem like a regular hoodie. You know, even right here, this is like thick. You know, this stitching is thick over here. This is dope. It really feels like I got my money's worth, man. I mean, I'm gonna put the price. I don't remember what the price was, man. I got this a long time ago. It was actually an Instagram drop. You know, so follow them on Instagram, get some IG exclusive drops. They good for that. And it be heat too, so go ahead and do that. It really feels like I got my money's worth. Everybody be want to make a brand, charge $100 for a hoodie, $150, $170, you know, for a hoodie, and you get it and you like, man, this just feel like something y'all screen printed on. If they said that they made this, you know, themselves, like they stitched this up themselves and printed on it, I would believe it. This thing feel different, yo. It feels sturdy. And I just found something. Come on. Look at this. Come on, Tier. Come on, Tier. Too much heat for him. Too much heat for him. Look at that. Crazy. Crazy. Look at it. So you got the Tier. That's their logo. That's one of the logos they use. You know what I mean? That Tier Scar logo, the cuts, you know what I mean? Which is fire. And they put it in black here, you know, not to, so they don't over brand the hoodie. It's in black here. It's like stealth, but it's there. You could tell it's there. And they got the end of the other end of the Ethernet cable right over here. Now this one is not raised, but that's fine. You know what I'm saying? Because this is behind you. You know, on the front of the shirt, I like to talk to people from the front of, you know, face to face. So it's fine with me, you know what I mean? But for all y'all people who like to talk face to butt, I guess this might not be for you. But this is heat, man. See, simple things like that. And this is like a piece of art. It seems like whatever the art style is for this Ethernet cable, you know, it's very crude, it's very simple, but it's very well done, you know. And they chose yellow. Now yellow is not a color, not a common color in Ethernet cables. Most Ethernet cables, I feel, you know, on a consumer level, black and blue. Yellow you find from like your internet provider brings a yellow. If you work in technology in the server room, you know it's some yellows in there. You know what I mean? So this was a nice choice, you know, a yellow. And like I always say, you gotta choose clothes where, especially, you know, us men, you gotta sneak some colors into your wardrobe. Yellow is dope. Yellow is dope. Sneak that yellow into your wardrobe. This is a great hoodie to do that. It's a black base hoodie, so you ain't gotta worry about being too loud. You know, if you just getting that color into your wardrobe, it's perfect to slide that yellow in there. You know what I'm saying? And you know, if you see my Instagram, you already know I'ma bust these with the University Gold 12s. I'ma do it. I'ma definitely do it. I'm waiting on it. All right. Like I said, this one I really can't wait to wear. I mean, you know, matter of fact, no, we here now. I'm here for y'all. We here. We with it. Let me just put this on now. See what the fit is like. So I could tell y'all. This is a medium. I wear a medium. This is a medium. Let's see what the fit is like. I like the fit. The fit was actually nice. This hoodie is like kind of thick, like I keep saying, and it feels kind of wide, and it feels so sturdy that I actually thought it was gonna fit a little bigger than a medium. I didn't know it was gonna be, you know, kind of true to size, and I was actually surprised when I put it on. I could tell, you know, the fit is right. The fit is right, approved. So I'm gonna definitely smack this when I wear it. Can't wait. Gotta get it in before the winter's up. You know what I mean? But yeah, this has been a review of the Tier Ethernet hoodie. I'm not sure if you can still find it. Like I said, it was an Instagram drop. I'm gonna run back to the internets, to the interwebs, and see if I can find a link to it. And we're gonna go from there. If anything, it'll be in the description. All right. So it's your boy Fresco, Technology TV. Hit you with another one. Go get your tier. All right. Be easy, my G.